I don't mind saying I'm 54, and ever since I was 18, I've always worked in care. And then it'll be 15 years ago now, I went into day services and working with people with learning disabilities. And I can honestly say it's the best job I've ever done. It is rewarding when you come into work in the morning and somebody smiles at you and they know it's Anne-Marie, or they know it's Chris, or they know it's Michelle or Mark. And that's inner reward because you see that smile. It is very rewarding. It can be challenging at times, but it's well worth it. I think you do have to, as an individual, give it time to get used to it, because everything's new and everything's different. So if you've never ever done it before, it may look daunting, but as a staff team, everybody supports each other, and I would say at least try it. So don't worry if you're applying for a job as a support worker here with Conwy, and you may see on the application form that an MVQ is desirable. If you haven't got one, you can study your MVQ2 with Conwy Council whilst working, and you will be fully supported with that.
Ymunwch â thîm, Conwy. Conwy.gov.uk, /swyddi.